Images tend to be a huge part of any website design. We use them to really enhance the look of a website, but I also like to make sure that I'm optimizing those images so that we can take full advantage of them and get any boost in rankings from them as well. Now, images are not a huge ranking factor, but nonetheless they are a ranking factor. So I always want to take advantage of any ranking factor that I can, especially if my competitors are not doing that. So when it comes to images, there are three things that I pay attention to. The first is the attribute tag, known as the alt tag, the title tag, and then I also like to geotag images, and then I also like to make sure that they are sized down as much as possible for online viewing. We'll get more into that when we talk about page speed. So here I want to talk about the alt tag, the title tag, and geotagging images. So for this website that I'm working on, here you'll see I have 4 images that represent the different services the business offers. The first one, you'll notice when I hover over it with the mouse, it says Lawn Mowing Services in Centerville, Virginia. So that's the title tag, and this is going to tell users what this image is about. So if I go into my back end here, now again, this is whether you're using WordPress, you're using another CMS, or just HTML, you'll be able to take advantage of these tags. Now here you'll look at the image tag. You'll see that here I have the image. First thing you'll notice, the URL, is it contains the keyword that I'm going after, Lawn Mowing Services in Centerville, Virginia. Now you'll find the alternate text here, which is the alt tag. And I have there Lawn Mowing Services, Centerville, Virginia. Again, I'm putting the keyword in there. Now the alt tag is for search engines who are not able to read the image. So this tells them what the image is about. Your title tag is something that can be similar, but it should be descriptive, and it's meant for the visitors on the website. So you want to make sure for all of the images that you're using that you use a unique URL. Make sure that you're including a relevant keyword in the title of the image, that you are also adding in the alt tag and the title tag. So if you are adding in the title tag into HTML, when you create your code, it will look like this. You will have your image URL here, and then you would say alt, and here you can put the image description. So that's what that would look like in HTML. Now let's take a look at actually geotagging images. I use Picasa to actually geotag images. Now this is going to import a lot of the images that are on your computer, but I have a couple of the images for this company here. Now if I double click on the image, on the right hand side you'll see this little icon. It looks like it's an icon for the map, which is exactly what it is. Now what I would like to do is I would need to come down to this box here that says search for an address at the bottom. I'm going to insert the address of the business and click search. It will find the location on the map, and I can put OK to put the image there. Once that is done, you will see this red icon here again, and that means the image is now geotagged. That's it. So if I go back to my library, any images that have this icon here mean that they have been geotagged. So at that point, that is when I want to upload those images to the website. So for all your important images and the images you'll be placed on your services page or the pages that you are attempting to rank, make sure that you use unique keyword descriptive URLs, alt tags, title tags, and that you also take just a moment to geotag those images as well.